Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the way we create art. With the help of cutting-edge AI tools, artists can now produce stunning, unique pieces of art in a fraction of the time it would take to create them manually. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech whiz to get started. Welcome to our beginner's guide to making $100 a day with AI art. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know to get started with AI art, from understanding the basics to using Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and OpenAI to create your own stunning artwork. We'll cover everything from how to source and format your images, to understanding how the AI algorithms work, to using the right techniques to get the most out of your AI art. By the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to making $100 a day with your own unique AI artwork. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of AI art, let's dive in. AI art is a form of art created using artificial intelligence algorithms. These algorithms use machine learning techniques to analyze and understand patterns in large data sets of images, and then generate new images based on these patterns. The resulting artwork is often unique and surprising, as the machine is able to generate unexpected combinations of patterns and textures that can be difficult for humans to replicate. One of the most popular techniques for creating AI art is called Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. GANs work by training two neural networks simultaneously: a generator network that creates new images, and a discriminator network that evaluates the quality of those images. The generator network continually improves by attempting to create images that the discriminator network cannot distinguish from real images. Another popular technique is called style transfer, which involves combining the style of one image with the content of another. This is done using a convolutional neural network, or CNN, that is trained to identify the unique style of a particular artist or artwork. The network can then apply that style to a different image, resulting in a new piece of art that combines elements of both. Now that we have a good understanding of what AI art is, let's talk about the different tools we can use to create them. First, Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a mathematical model used in image processing and computer vision to stimulate how patterns or textures evolve over time. In simple terms, it's a way to create dynamic, organic-looking images that change gradually over time. It's based on the concept of partial differential equations, which describe how quantities change in continuous systems. To use Stable Diffusion to make AI art, you can start with an initial image and then apply the Stable Diffusion algorithm to it. The algorithm will create a series of new images that are gradually transformed versions of the original, with patterns and textures that evolve in a smooth, natural-looking way. One popular technique for creating AI art using Stable Diffusion is called Deep Dream. Deep Dream uses a deep neural network to generate images that exaggerate and enhance the patterns and features in the original image. By applying Stable Diffusion to the output of the Deep Dream algorithm, you can create images that shift and morph over time, create a mesmerizing, dreamlike effect. To use Stable Diffusion in AI art, you'll need to have some programming skills and a basic understanding of image processing and machine learning. There are also a variety of open source libraries and tools available that can help simplify the process, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and OpenCV. The second is DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is an advanced version of a language model called DALL-E, short for drawing attention to language and layout elements. It was created by OpenAI and uses a combination of natural language processing and computer vision techniques to generate original, high-quality images from textual descriptions. DALL-E 2 builds upon the capabilities of the original DALL-E by improving its image generation process and enabling it to generate even more complex and diverse images. Like its predecessor, DALL-E 2 is capable of producing a wide range of images, from realistic photographs to surreal and abstract art. To create AI art, users provide a textual description of the image they want to generate, and DALL-E 2 uses its deep learning algorithms to create an image that matches that description. For example, a user might provide the description: an elephant standing in a field of flowers under a rainbow, and DALL-E 2 would generate an image that matches that description. DALL-E 2's image generation process is based on a technique called generative adversarial networks, which involves training two deep neural networks to work together. One network generates the images, while the other network evaluates them to ensure they are realistic and match the textual description. Overall, DALL-E 2 represents a significant advancement in the field of AI art, allowing for the creation of stunning and unique images that would be difficult or impossible to create using traditional techniques. Unlike other AI platforms, Midjourney AI operates in a league of its own. To get started, you'll need to create an account and venture to the Midjourney AI website. Once there, you'll discover a world of endless possibilities as you click the Join the Beta button to enter the Wondrous Discord channel. Once inside, you'll be met with an array of new buy rooms. Note that the other rooms are exclusively for premium users. But fear not, for you are now equipped to communicate with the bot and generate your own unique image. Simply type /imagine, followed by your prompt into the text box. And voila! The bot will immediately begin crafting your masterpiece. But here's where things get interesting. In the free version of Midjourney AI, all of your prompts and images are made public, free for all to view and admire. For a more exclusive experience, consider joining the paid version, which offers two tantalizing options: 100 credits for $10 or unlimited use for $30. One of the greatest advantages of Midjourney AI is its ability to produce stunning, high-quality images that are sure to make your creative visions come to life. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a newcomer to the craft, this tool is sure to delight, using its intuition to create visually captivating images based on your prompts. Plus, with fewer restrictions on the types of images it can generate, Midjourney AI is the perfect solution for all of your artistic needs. But before you set out on this exciting artistic journey, it's important to note that the free version lacks privacy, which may be a concern for some. And while Midjourney AI may not always follow your prompts to the letter, it's all part of the adventure, isn't it? Finally, be prepared for the Discord interface, which can be a bit confusing for new users, even those familiar with Discord itself. So buckle up, dear artist, and get ready to set off on a journey of creativity and wonder with Midjourney AI. Now that you have knowledge about the best tools, let's explore how to utilize them to generate a daily income of $100. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, remain a lucrative option despite the current market conditions, as some have sold for millions of dollars and continue to hold their value. An NFT is a unique digital asset with a distinct blockchain address that could be anything, from a comic book to a collection of sports. Once you create your unique piece, you can mint it on a site like OpenSea.io, market it, and start earning. Abstract pieces tend to receive more attention and sell for higher prices, so don't hesitate to develop your most creative ideas. You can also sell your AI art as a stock photos in various platforms, including Shutterstock, which has already announced plans to integrate AI images into their catalogs. While a single stock photo may not bring in a lot of money, a portfolio of 200 to 300 photos can generate an impressive income. If you're impressed with your AI art, you can try selling it on platforms like Etsy or create a brand for it by opening a Shopify store. Websites like Printify let you print your artwork on a variety of mediums, such as t-shirts, posters, canvases, socks, hats, and even coffee mugs. Once you establish a following for physical pieces of your artwork, this can become a reliable source of income. Thank you for watching today's video on generating income using AI art. We hope that you found the information helpful and that you are inspired to explore the various income-generating ideas we discussed. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which idea you plan to try. And please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future.